Trying to plan a month of blog content can feel impossible if you're just starting out. Many beginners end up staring at a blank screen. But planning content doesn't have to take hours. This is what I entered into ChatGPT. Pause here if you want to copy it or tweak it for your own niche. In moments, you get a full month of blog ideas, ready to guide your content strategy and keep your audience engaged. This takes the guesswork out of planning and helps you stay consistent. But having ideas alone won't grow your business. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you how to take AI generated content and turn it into a system that consistently drives traffic and sales, all in 5 beginner friendly episodes. You also get bonuses like the copy and paste AI command database, the streamlined content creation, and the secret no funnel method so you can start attracting customers immediately without tech headaches. Turn this AI generated blog ideas into a content system that grows your business. The AI Business Builder Challenge is available today for under $20. Check the link in the description and start planning smarter this month.